In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily private your TikTok account to show your videos just for your followers. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. Once you are at your profile, hit at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find Privacy, and then towards the top of the screen you can find Private Account feature. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. If you hit at that switcher, that will immediately make your account private, however, your existing followers won't be affected. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.